What up, guys? Quick question. I want to know if you guys ran into this problem, so I don't go crazy here. My car at an idle is misfiring. I checked the VVTi sensor. It's good. It's working like it should. Put 12 volts on and off. Check my fuel pressure. Good. Check my fuel pump. Good. It's got new spark plugs on it, new wires. That's all good. I ended a warranty and all that. Put it on. Everything on the car is good. I did look at the base mat when it does it at an idle. It does lean out a little bit, almost like it had an intake leak. There's no intake leak on the car. All the grounds are where they should be. So I was wondering if you guys ran into this problem. If you guys have, can you guys please let me know what you guys found or ended up fixing, if you guys ever ran into this. And that's about it. I can drive the car wherever I want. At an idle, it's just off. And at a light, it's just off. And at an idle, it's just misfires. So if you guys can help me, I greatly appreciate it. You guys have a great day.